Done went away. Once coronavirus is gone, the world can just slowly return back to normal. I'm just in it's kind of a mess in here because we just moved. But yes, I do want to come and upload some videos and just talk about everything that is going on. Just update you guys on how I'm feeling about virus and just everything that is happening in the world. Like, I'm ready for it to be over. I don't know how you guys are feeling, but I'm ready for life to just return to normal. Done went away. Once coronavirus is gone, the world can just slowly return back to normal. I have had a very long day of doing some things for my business, doing things with my husband and his business. And y'all, it is like, I think about 8 o'clock, and I am about to take a bath and go to sleep. I am done, and I think I'm going to end the vlog right here. And then I think probably tomorrow I'll just show y'all what my life looks like on a quarantine Saturday. So, you know, I don't know where you guys are, but just leave it down in the comment section. Like, where are you guys at? What's going on in your city, in your state, in your country? You know, feel free to just vent about how you are currently feeling and how this coronavirus situation, is it affecting your workplace? Is it affecting your bills? What is going on? So feel free to leave it down in the comment section. On this little project, give up on this room here, but I did it, so yay. I'm so happy I got it done. So by the next time we go grocery shopping, it'll be for my diet. I have to eat all these snacks first that babe put in the cart. I threw some stuff in there too. I'm snitching. People ain't practicing no type of social distancing. Throwing like a big party. Not that party that they talking about on Facebook. These other people is throwing a big party. Alright, y'all, we back home. We got home and our dogs was out. They had found a way out. One of the neighbors had made sure that was alright. So yeah, I'm probably gonna end the vlog right here and then just pick it back up again tomorrow. So I will see you guys on the next video. I should have the ring light over here.
You risk the stage now?
So today we are out just getting some fresh air. Actually, I went to work with my husband and now we are just walking. And yes, so I kept saying I wanted to do some exercising, but we are out just getting some sun and just walking around for a few minutes because, you know, everything is shut down. I like to be able to get out and get some sun and just, yep, so that's what we're pretty much doing.
At the same time, if you're going to talk to them, 9 times out of 10, that person already don't like you know, the fact that, okay, you believe in Christ and you doing this.
Hey you guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more uploads.